So you can see that I got back this text message that says your Insight is rendering original file. And if I was to open this inside of the browser, what you will see is the original photo, the JPEG that was sent off to Insight. Now we just wait for Insight to bring me, show me the rendered version, the inspiration, the Insight version. Now this usually takes about a minute, and what Sam says is that if you send multiple photos, it still takes about a minute. You can see the result just came in there, and I'll show you that larger in a second. Now, if you send a bunch of photos, it will take more time, of course. It has to render a little bit of everything, but here we go. Let me pull back up. Here is the original photo, and I am going to bring up what it rendered. And you can see here that it did utilize the door, and I actually really like these two versions at the top left and the top right. I'm not a big fan of the ones in the bottom, especially the one on the bottom right with a really strange arm here. But you can see that it does give you inspiration of, here's what you could do with the hands in this position. You can move the door in or out and try some new things with some different lighting.